friends. Hi. Today I'm going to demonstrate how to use our ribbon tail board for cutting your ribbon tails. So all I need is scissors, my ribbon tail board, and a spool of whatever ribbon you're cutting. So normally I use my 14-inch. Our ribbon tail boards are cut to length, and then the number is etched in so you can see this is the 13-inch, this is the 14-inch. We also have three other sizes. We have the 6/8, 10/12, and 16/18. This is typically the one that we use. So I'm going to use the 14-inch, and you just take the end of the ribbon. I like to get a start and fold it over here, or you can even come to the very end like this, and see how I'm holding it with this hand, my thumb down, and I'm flipping it around. And when I get to this side, I'm grabbing it with both my hands here and coming back and holding it. Don't pull it too tight because you won't be able to get it off the ribbon tail board. And then now that I have a good grip on it, I hold it in the middle here, and I'm just flipping it around. And when I get the number of tails that I want, I turn it to the side and I count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This would give me 6 tails. So then I just come to the end here, take my scissors, cut off the end, slide it off. I use my finger, slide it off here, pull the tail board out, and right where I have this is where I'm going to place my scissors in. Give it a cut. Keep them together, flip it upside down. Here's the other end where it was folded over. Place my scissors in, give it a cut. And now I have my 6 ribbon tails ready for dovetailing. And there you go. That's how you use our ribbon tail board. I hope this video helps. Thank you. Bye-bye.